I'm Dr. Aris Gustilo. I'm 54, married, and I'm part of the praise team, the finance committee, and would-be intercessor. When I first encountered Jesus, when I was 13 years old, my sister shared to me the 4 spiritual laws. And from that time, syempre, doon sa dulo ng 4 spiritual laws is the prayer of acceptance. And I prayed the prayer of acceptance, but on December 29, 1984, when I were in a camp, it called Christmas Institute, a woman with pastors walking, and that woman is para siyang foreigner, para siyang mestizo talaga. And they passed by our group. We are in a group of Bible study group. And then after a minute or two, bigla siyang bumalik. And then she shared the gospel, the salvation, and from that time on, I knew that I needed to accept Christ as my personal Lord and Savior. I accepted Jesus as a 14-year-old. So, siyempre, nandiyan yung barkada, nandiyan yung school. That time, hindi pa ganong kalakasan yung mga youth Christians. Konti pa lang nun. Yun yung mga tawag ng barkada, tawag ng world. So, but at the end of the day, I will bow to my knees, I will bow to prayers, thanking God that, Lord, thank you that andito ka na sa buhay ko dahil hindi talaga ako na sumama doon sa flow ng worldly things. We are in a revival church. Our revival spirit is that yun yung hinahanap namin. That's why nandito kami sa Church of Blessed, because of the revival spirit. The church satisfies our hunger for Jesus. And right now, it's not just work, it's not just as a doctor, but pwede kong salihan sa mga patient ko. I pray for my patients. Kung may time, share ko yung gospel. And you know, patients are crying, patients are at talagang gratitude nila, yung grateful sila dahil kumbaga parang hindi lang doktor. Parang ang term nila, pastor po ba kayo, doc? So, yun. You just accept that you are a sinner, na hindi mo kaya lahat. And then, pag uwi mo sa bahay mo, you fall on your knees, you bow your head, and you talk to Jesus, and you spread it out. Lahat ng nararamdaman mo, lahat ng hinanakit mo, and then, at the end of your prayer, acknowledge Him as your personal Lord and Savior. Deuteronomy 8:2, you shall remember all the way which the Lord your God has led you in the wilderness these 40 years, that He might humble you, testing you to know what was in your heart, whether you would keep His commandments or not. My journey as a doctor, sabi nga namin, first, a son of God that happened to be a doctor. Haba-haba, maraming blocks, maraming problema, academic problems, financial problems, and I question God, bakit ganito? Yung ibang classmates ko, consultant na, ako nandito pa rin sa school. And He led me to this verse. He was testing me. He was making me humble. He was testing me na kung pang-doktor ba talaga ako or hindi. And this led me, I cried. Because all this while, I thought, nag-iisa ako, I thought, mahirap talaga. But God is guiding me, God is preparing me on this life as a doctor, as a Christian doctor.